So in this video we are going to talk about the topologies. Topologies is the arrangement of a network on how to connect, how to transfer the data. So these are different types of topologies. First I thought to write some notes on these topologies, but during the pen test point of view, you just scan every computer in the network, right? So that's why I thought these topologies are not that much important, but you need to know about these topologies. So let's start with this bottom one, bus topology. In the bus topology, all the computers are connected to single cable, and this transfers the data through this cable only, right? If this computer wants to connect or send data to this computer, it will throw in a single cable, and in that cable the data gets transferred. So the main disadvantage of this bus topology is if here the link fails and this total segment after this computer fails, right? So if this single cable fails, the entire network fails. That is the main drawback of this bus topology. So it is very easy to or very cheap to implement because there is only one cable and remaining cable goes to this computers, right? And let's come to this mesh topology. This mesh topology is like 1:n topology, and one computer is connected to 3 or more computers, and as you can see this computer has connected this one, and this one. And this mesh topology takes some more cost because of these wires, and if you have more computers, this mesh topology is somewhat confusing to understand because which wire goes to which one. And this ring topology, let's come to this one, ring topology. So in this, the computers are connected to adjacent computers, right? And if I want to send data from this computer to this computer, it has to travel through this ring or this ring. So the main drawback of this ring topology is you need to send the data through multiple computers if you want to reach some far computer. So if I want to reach from this to this one, I need to travel through these two computers. So it takes some time, and every topology has its own drawback, and we need to implement according to our number of computers and according to our size of the network. And coming to the star topology, this is like we implement here hub or switch, and we connect every computer to this switch or hub or the network device, and this network device is connected to internet. So the main drawback is if there is 100 computers connected to this switch, or say 50 computers, then if everyone tries to send at the same time, the congestion takes place. So it's like denial of service, but it's not that much denial of service, but somewhat congestion takes place when there is only single device handling the every request. So if this single device fails, then whole network fails, right? And in the ring topology also, if a single node breaks and almost half of the ring breaks, so you need to travel all the long. Suppose if this ring is broken, and you need to transfer the data all through computers to reach this computer. So even in normal situation, it takes time, and if the one link is broken, and it takes more time than normal. So coming to this fully connected network topology, this is the combination of mesh and ring topology. So the drawback of ring topology is the time, and that was rectified by using this mesh topology between those computers. So this is very cost effective because every computer should have those many cables and other ports to connect to. And this topology advantage is even if single link fails, there will be another backup link, right? That is the advantage of this topology, but it is much cost efficient than any other topologies.